Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the most important topic coronavirus. Guys, ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है और अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इससे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं. ये टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस हैं जो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. So, the first question is, what is coronavirus? इसका आंसर है C. Both A and B. It is a large family of viruses and it belongs to a family of nidovirus. Next question. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in. Answer is Wuhan, Hubei. ये एक चाइना का शहर है जहाँ पे सबसे पहले कोरोना वायरस को आइडेंटिफाई किया गया था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिजीजेज आर रिलेटेड टू कोरोना वायरस? इसका भी आंसर है बोथ ए एंड बी. सार्स एंड मर्स. सार्स स्टैंड फॉर सेवियर एक्यूट रेस्पिरेटरी सिंड्रोम एंड मर्स मिडिल ईस्ट रेस्पिरेटरी सिंड्रोम. नेक्स्ट. Mild symptoms of novel coronaviruses are cough, fever, shortness of breath, all of the above. ये सारे ही symptoms होते हैं कोरोना वायरस के. So answer is D. Next question is, a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. Answer is plasma therapy. Next question is, coronavirus is called so because of dash on their surface. Answer B. Crown-like spikes. Next question. What type of virus is coronavirus? Its answer is single-stranded RNA virus. ये एक single-stranded RNA virus है. Next question. Which state government has launched 13 COVID hospitals and 3 lakh rapid testing kit for COVID? And the answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Reliance opened a hospital dedicated to COVID-19 in which city? Answer is Mumbai. Next question. Who declared the whole world has entered into economic recession because of COVID-19? Answer is B. IMF. Next question is, which app is launched by Indian government in order to track the location of corona infected people? Answer is C. Corona Kavach. Next question. Which mobile app is launched by Rajasthan Police for the people who intend to seek permission to go out during coronavirus lockdown? Answer B. Rajkot Nagrik mobile app. Question 13. On which date Janata curfew was imposed in India? Answer B. 22 March. Next question. Social app Instagram has introduced which new feature in order to spread awareness among users regarding COVID-19? Answer D. Instagram feed. Next question. Name the new website launched by Google in order to spread awareness regarding COVID-19. Answer C. google.com/COVID-19. Next question. Which city uses drones for cleanliness during corona pandemic? Answer B. Indore. Next question. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal bird? Answer is A. Monkeys. Next question. Who started the initiative Stay Home India with Books? Answer C. NBT. Next question. Which state became India's first state to launch self-assessment tool in order to treat COVID-19 patients? Answer C. Goa. Next question. Modi Kitchen, with a capacity to serve 500 meals every day, has started functioning in which city of Tamil Nadu? Answer B. Coimbatore. Next question is, which state government has announced to distribute free food service for next 1 month while COVID-19 cases? Answer C. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which IIT has invented a drone to sanitize complete city? Answer IIT Kharagpur. Next question. G20 Virtual Summit 2020 held, leaders pledged dash to reduce COVID-19 impact. Answer B. 5 trillion USD. Next question. FIFA has selected how many players for World Governing Bodies Awareness campaign to combat COVID-19? Answer A. 28 players. Next question. Government of India has announced dash relief package for migrant workers, urban and rural poor. Answer A. 1.7 lakh crore. Next question. Which IIT has launched Isaac project? Answer IIT Gandhinagar. Next question. Which state government has launched Mo Jeevan program? Answer A. Odisha. Next question. Which organization launched the competition titled United Against Corona Express through art, the time of Corona? Answer is C. Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Next question. What is the name of the first indigenous testing kit for COVID-19 in India, which was launched at Pune? Answer is D. PathoDetect. Next question. Gujarat government has declared which city as buffer zone while COVID-19 effect? Answer A. Ahmedabad. Next question. Which state government has launched COVID walk-in sample kiosk? Answer B. Kerala. Which state government has transferred ₹1,000 to each migrant worker's account who is stranded while COVID-19 lockdown? Answer A. Bihar. In which zoo a tiger has tested positive for COVID-19? Answer A. Bronx Zoo. Next, which state has launched Operation Shield in containment areas against COVID-19? Answer A. Delhi. Which organization has launched Safe Plus emergency loan COVID-19 situation for MSME? Answer A. SIDBI. Next, government has decided to postpone MP fund for how much time while COVID-19 situation? Answer D. 2 years. Next, which state government has launched Annapurna and Apurti Mitra portal in lockdown situation of COVID-19? Answer B. Uttar Pradesh. Which city has become first to do mandatory to wear face mask while COVID-19? Answer C. Mumbai. India has sent 5,022 metric tons wheat to which country while COVID-19 pandemic? Answer B. Afghanistan. Next question. India has received how much COVID-19 testing kits in first trunk from China? Answer D. 20 lakh. WHO has launched an interactive coronavirus service with which messenger? Answer B. Facebook. Which Indian American has been appointed to White House COVID-19 Advisory Council? Answer D. R.O. Khanna. Next. Which state has become first to use Ayurveda to COVID-19 positive patients? Answer C. Goa. Next. Who is the head of the consultative group of the Congress on COVID-19? Answer B. Manmohan Singh. New Development Bank has given how much USD to India as an emergency financial assistance to combat COVID-19 pandemic? Answer B. USD 1 billion. Which IIT has developed ward boat that will deliver food to COVID-19 patients? Answer B. IIT Roopur. Which state has prohibited door-to-door delivery of newspapers and magazines while COVID-19 situation? Answer C. Maharashtra. Next, which state has launched CG Heart website for online essentials delivery? Answer C. Chhattisgarh. Which state government has launched M-COVID-19 mobile app? Answer C. Mizoram. Punjab government has launched which mobile app for COVID-19? Answer C. Kova Punjab. So guys, ये थे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कोविड-19 के टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस जो अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. प्लीज़ गाइज इस वीडियो को शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और लाइक करिए और बने रहिए हमारे चैनल पर ऐसे ही इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए. और इस वीडियो को गाइज ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिएगा और शेयर करिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच मेरा वीडियो देखने के लिए, अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए. थैंक यू.